So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to create group on WhatsApp. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and make sure you have logged into your account with your contact number. So let's open it. So here you can see all the chats. Now click on one profile. I am clicking here, then click on name here and scroll down. You can see the option called create group with ... Tap on it. You can add some people here to create group, and you can click on arrow icon here, and you can edit your group name by buddies. And if everything is done, click on right icon here, then your group will be ready to discover. And that's how your group will be created easily and fastly. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.